Traveling in California during the middle of the week offers unique benefits that can enhance your experience. Here are 5 reasons to consider a midweek trip. 1. Reduced crowds. Popular destinations like Disneyland and Yosemite are less crowded on weekdays, resulting in shorter lines and a more relaxed atmosphere. 2. Cheaper accommodations and flights. Hotels and airlines often offer lower rates during the week, making your trip more affordable and allowing for upgrades or additional activities. 3. Better traffic conditions. Traffic is typically lighter on weekdays, making scenic drives along routes like the Pacific Coast Highway more enjoyable. More availability for tours and activities. With fewer visitors, there's a greater chance of securing reservations for tours, wineries, and popular restaurants. 5. Local events and culture. Midweek travel can reveal local events and farmers markets, offering a more authentic glimpse into California life. For scenic road trips, consider these iconic California routes. 1. Pacific Coast Highway, Highway 1. Enjoy stunning coastline views from Orange County to Mendocino County. 2. Route 66. Explore charming towns along this nostalgic highway. 3. Highway 395. Experience diverse landscapes from Mount Whitney to Mono Lake. 4. 17-mile drive. Take in scenic views and famous golf courses in Pebble Beach. 5. Redwood Highway, US 101. Marvel at the ancient redwood forests of Northern California. These routes highlight the stunning landscapes and experiences that make California a must-visit